Hello, my dear students, how are you today? Thank you for visiting my blog and for watching this video. As I told you in class, after the Easter holidays, we will start a new project called Make a Comic Book. These are the points that I will explain in this video. The comic will be based on the story Gulliver's Travels. It is addressed to students of 2nd ESO. We will make groups of 3 and we will work with the technology Pixton. These are the sessions in which we will divide the tasks. And these are the objectives. What we will learn during these 6 sessions. And now, let's start by getting to know the comics. Do you know what a comic is? I am sure you do. Comics are a type of narrative text. They tell stories through a sequence of images that combine text and cartoons. Their function is to entertain, inform, and educate. What are the elements of a comic? The panel is one single image that contains a segment of action. A panel is la viñeta. The caption is a rectangular box, usually to give voice to a narrator. The caption is la cartela. The bubble or balloon are objects that are used to contain the dialogue. In Spanish, we say bocadillo. There are different types of bubbles. Sound effects are words that indicate a sound. Onomatopeyas. Well, now that you know what a comic text is and what are their elements, let's start with the planning activities. During the planning, we will choose the chapter of the book that we like. On your notebooks, you will identify the characters and you will describe them. You will also describe the scenarios, and finally you will divide the chapter in actions, each action in one panel, and you will write down the dialogue. After the planning stage, we will start with the comic creation. But how can we create a comic by using a digital tool? Well, you have to access a website that the teacher will send you. Then you have to create your name and password. You accessed your group at IES La Nucia. You can start with your comic now. Choose the format that you like and the language in English. Choose the level Advanced if you want to use all the functionalities. Choose a scene and the characters. And there you go. This is the final result. I chose this scene and this character. Now I can start playing with all the buttons. I can change the pose, the skin color, the face expressions, and I can include other characters. I can include objects, sound effects, accessories, and finally the bubbles and the text. We can change the color, the size, the font, and this is the final result. I have moved the position of this boy. I have added this object and also two bubbles. It's very easy to use. You just need to play around with the mouse, dragging and dropping. You can make it smaller or in detail. And also you can see the work of your classmates.